Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'm going to show you the first step of setting up your LinkedIn outreach system with our tool Linkedify. Now, to begin with your LinkedIn outreach setup, you want to basically, when you've logged into the platform, there's obviously two things you may have done. You may have purchased an account from here through order SDRs. You may have ordered an SDR, and you want to know what happens next. Okay, so first thing is you've ordered the SDR. You will get some claim slots. Your claim slots will show up here, and it just depends on whether you've purchased gold or silver. Gold accounts have more than 500 connections, while silver accounts have less than 500 connections. Okay, so once you've purchased, you will have these slots available, and you can just go ahead and choose any of these accounts and press claim to accounts. Claim one account, however many accounts you are claiming. Alright, now let's just say that you've ordered 20 accounts and you're waiting for it to get filled. What will happen is our team in the back end will fulfill your order. It may take up to a week, maybe more, depending on the number of profiles you've ordered. Keep in mind that you will not be charged a subscription until your subscription doesn't start until the orders have fulfilled. Alright, so if there are not enough accounts in our reserve section, we will fulfill the orders in due time. Now the next step is, once you've chosen your accounts, you can go on my accounts and you will see the accounts in here. They'll move here automatically, and you can do whatever you want with these accounts from here. There's a few steps that I ask our clients to take when it comes to using the accounts within here. We do not optimize the accounts. On a client level, we only do a basic cleanup of the accounts to make sure there's no sensitive information on the accounts and the profile pictures looking as good as they can. We will make sure that the profile pictures are professional and the headers are clean and the experience is clean. Alright, all of our profiles are US based, and you can change the location to Europe and whatnot. So once you have the accounts connected into your my accounts section, what you will see is a few things. This orange circle bubble usually means the account is not connected. So what you want to do is, to connect the accounts, is you want to press this button. There'll be a button here that says connect, and you can connect straight away. Okay, now you can copy the email, copy the password and the proxy information. If you're using something like GoLogin and you want to move the accounts to GoLogin or another very high quality browser management system. However, I don't really suggest that. You can go ahead and log into the accounts through our platform right here. When you click on these three buttons, you press view in browser, and the account will be logged in within the tab within the website. So it's contained. We're calling another service to make sure that you can actually log in. This process does take, I know it says 15 seconds, we're going to update this. It takes around 1 to 2 minutes, and the reason it takes a bit of time is because our processing system in the back end will actually log into the accounts, so you don't need to log in yourself. Saves you that hassle and time, and that just really depends on the proxy. It really depends on a bunch of different information to allow us to log in. Alright, so as you can see here, this account is logged in, and this is actually a very low quality account that we're just doing for demonstration purposes. But what you can do is, once it's logged in, you can do anything you want with the profile. You can go here and you can view the profile, and you can start making those updates you're looking to make. Okay, so for example, I would just go here and I would press update. This is the first thing. Well, actually, you're not allowed to change the picture, so I shouldn't have gone over that, but you are allowed to change the banner. Okay, so you can go here, add cover image, and you can choose whatever cover image you want to choose, or you can upload a single photo. Now, how do you actually upload things using this contained browser? It's very simple. You go on upload file, you can choose any file you want to choose. I'll choose this one here, press open, and then what I'll do is I'll go on uploads, and then as you can see here in the uploads section, there is the image right here. Press open. Awesome, you can just literally see it's uploaded straight away. It's very simple, and then save changes, and you can continue making those changes as you go along. Now keep in mind there's a 15-minute timer And the reason we have that is because the browser is actually running on a different container somewhere else in a different cloud server, and each server can't just run forever, so we do have to add a timer here, unfortunately. That being said, when you end the session, you can reopen it and the timer will reset. Right? So as you can see, it's very easy to make updates. You can update the these different sections here. You can save changes. It's very simple. All right. So now what I want to do is end the session. All right. It's very important that you end the session so we don't have a bunch of browsers. You don't have a bunch of browsers running at the same time. It may cause some issues in performance when you open up more profiles. You can in fact have multiple tabs running and have multiple browser sessions running at the same time. All right. So now what you want to do is you want to go on the next section, which is obviously connecting the accounts. As I've said, it's very simple. You can go here, you can press connect. There'll be a button here. Right here, you just, for this one it's actually already, maybe this one. Yeah, you just press this button, connect. Now, as I've said, if you're looking to log into these accounts in a different browser, you can copy these. You will get this thing. It says get 2FA code. If it asks for a two-factor authentication code, you just press this. You will get the key here, and you can copy it, and you can put it right away, and you can also refresh it to get a new one. Right? So it's very simple to log in through a different browser if you want, or you can just log in through ours. Great. Now let's just say that you don't want to use our rented accounts. You want to add your own account. It's very simple to do that as well. Okay, you just press add account here, and you can set up your own account right here. You can choose a proxy, you can choose the custom proxy or a select region, and you can press add account. And it depends on whether you have 2FA or you have an email. Usually asks for an email code. You enter that code in, and then the account will be logged in. Great. So in this video, we've gone over pretty much the basic process of connecting accounts. If you have any issues, you can actually communicate with us on Slack, or you can just go here and just press this button. You will communicate with a customer support representative to sort any problems you have. And when it comes to the status of the accounts, usually when the account is inactive, that means the account is disabled or restricted for whatever reason. And whenever an account does become restricted and you have SDRs rented out from us, you can go on rent account and you will have more claim slots automatically. And then you can just claim another account if you like. So the process is very simple and very straightforward.